Hey, I'm Joss Burgess, Realtor with the Plowman team, and super stoked to take you on a tour of our home for sale. 69 John Walter Crescent, located in beautiful Courtice. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the main floor. Totally functional. Hall closet, two-piece bathroom, and a renovated kitchen that leads to your living dining combination. And you have a sliding glass walkout to a huge backyard with a covered deck. Check it out. Here we are upstairs with two really good sized bedrooms featuring closets, easy clean vinyl flooring, and one of them has a semi-ensuite to the large bathroom. In the finished basement, we have laundry, plush carpet, and functional space for either an office, living space, or a bedroom. Thanks so much for taking the tour of our home for sale at 69 John Walter Crescent in Courtice. If you have any questions, give the number above a call, and don't forget, click below, subscribe, keep up to date on all our homes for sale.